Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best brownie pan is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, but trust me, it can seriously elevate your baking game. Today, we're diving deep into the world of brownie pans, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect pan to achieve those perfectly fudgy or delightfully chewy brownies. Get ready to say goodbye to unevenly baked edges and hello to brownie perfection. Number 5. NutriChef 3-piece nonstick baking pans. This set includes small, medium, and large cookie pans. They are a flexible and stylish nonstick carbon steel bakeware set, perfect for all your baking needs. The PTFE PFOA PFOS-free nonstick coating ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning. It's designed for healthy cooking and is resistant to high heat. Made from carbon steel, this bakeware set resists warping, ensuring it will last for years. It's suitable for the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. These cookie sheets provide excellent food release and are easy to clean. They are also dishwasher safe and stain resistant, with a space-saving stackable design. The bold-colored, commercial-grade metal bakeware provides a confident grip. The pans are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like? This NutriChef set offers versatility with its multiple sizes, perfect for various baking needs. The nonstick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that can handle different recipes and quantities, you should consider this. What people say. Great quality, it is absolutely Nonstick. This set has the sizes for every need. 13 by 8, 15 by 10 and 17 by 11. They are nonstick, which makes cleanup a breeze. Love these pans. Very sturdy. Non-stick, with silicone handles for easy handling. Number 4. Wilton 8-inch square cake pan, set of 2. Wilton provides the perfect bakeware sets. This multi-pack of 8-inch non-stick square cake pans will help you make layer cakes easily. Each square cake pan features a heavy gauge construction. This design provides long-lasting durability and allows for even heating, preventing warping. The durable non-stick and scratch-resistant coating allows food to slide out easily. Cleanup is almost effortless with this must-have 8-inch cake pan. The Wilton baking pan set is dishwasher safe. For best results, wash it in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. This square pan should be a staple in your kitchen. This set includes 2 square Wilton cake pans, each measuring 8 inches in diameter. It also has a limited 10-year warranty. What we like? Wilton square cake pans are designed for even heating, ensuring your cakes bake perfectly every time. The non-stick surface makes releasing your baked goods a breeze. If you like baking layer cakes and want consistently great results, you should consider these. What people say. The non-stick surface is better than any other pans I've ever owned, and cleanup is literally just a quick wipe. The pumpkin bread baked perfectly. There were no hot spots, no dry areas, and no crispy edges. The pan provided total uniform baking. The non-stick finish allowed for an easy removal of the cooled caramels. Imagine sticky candy freely released. The pans clean easily, are dishwasher safe. As far as I could tell, they survived nicely in my DW, and they stack neatly, requiring little more space for 2 than for 1. Number 3. Boxiki Kitchen 8x8 Square Cake and Brownie Pan. Introducing the Boxiki Kitchen Brownie Pan. It's made of non-toxic, BPA-free silicone, ensuring your treats release easily. Say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to perfect baked goods. This pan features a sturdy steel frame, preventing any sagging. You can bake with confidence knowing it will provide long-lasting performance. It's designed to make your baking experience better. This square pan isn't just for brownies. It's perfect for cakes, fudges, Rice Krispie treats, and more. Get creative in the kitchen and explore a variety of recipes with it. Whether you bake, microwave, refrigerate, or freeze, this silicone pan is safe. Cleanup is a breeze, just pop it in the dishwasher. Enjoy baking with ease and convenience. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you're not happy, you get your money back. Shop with confidence and enjoy the benefits of this amazing product. What we like? The Boxiki Kitchen Pan features a flexible silicone design with a sturdy steel frame, making it easy to release your brownies. It's also dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. If you are looking for a pan that's easy to use and clean, you should consider this. What people say. Because of the silicone, it is easy to clean and maintain over time. However, because of the metal, it also maintains its shape going in and out of the oven without pouring things out the middle when you try to pick it up by one side or both. First set I saw with metal and silicone combined. Yes, these are really great. They have all the flexibility and non-stick properties we want from silicone, but they don't spill and they aren't flimsy because they have the support of metal. The brownies cooked perfectly and, more importantly, evenly. Most times the sides get well done and the middle is too soft still. Frustrating. There was no sticking to the pan, brownies come out easily. Finally, the pan washed up nicely. Number 2. Beasea Brownie Pan with dividers. This mini square brownie pan is perfect for making small, bite-sized treats. Each cup is perfectly portioned, making it ideal for kids and anyone who enjoys portion control. It's a great solution if you struggle with cutting large brownie cakes. The nonstick coating ensures easy removal of your baked goods. Simply spray or grease the pan, let the brownies cool, and flip. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the nonstick surface. This muffin sheet tray is designed to give you those crispy-edged brownies every time. Made from carbon steel, it's sturdy and ensures even baking. It's also great for muffins, giving them a cute shape. Beyond brownies, this pan is perfect for mini breads, jello, and more. It's great for any baking project where you want uniform sizes. It makes 12 items at once, perfect for parties and everyday use. This non-stick, sturdy, and easy-to-clean pan is a wonderful gift. Your baker friend can create perfect mini cakes and treats. It's an adorable choice for any occasion. What we like. Beasea's Brownie Pan with dividers allows for perfect portion control with its individual cavities. The non-stick coating ensures easy removal, and the design is perfect for those who love crispy edges. If you have a family or like to control portions, you should consider this. What people say. My husband always wants the corner brownie, so this pan works well for that. Great pans. It makes it easy for individual brownies, so each brownie has edges. The brownies came out perfect on the very first try. Number 1. Caraway 9-inch square pan, non-stick ceramic. Great news! The Caraway square pan is officially available on Amazon. It's time to upgrade your baking and kitchen style with this beautifully designed pan. This pan features a naturally non-stick surface. This means less preparation and easy cleaning, making your baking experience healthier and more convenient. Healthy baking starts with Caraway. The pan is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring it's safe for you, your family, and the environment. The Caraway square pan can handle oven temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, simply hand wash it to keep it in perfect condition. This 9-inch pan is perfect for brownies, cakes, lemon bars, and more. It's a great addition to any baker's toolkit, whether it's a gift or for personal use. What we like. Caraway's square pan features a non-stick ceramic coating and is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring healthier baking. The stylish design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. If you like a healthier and stylish option, you should consider this. What people say. The brownie pan is well made and sturdy. The individual brownie squares release easily. The pan is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.